Minister Movin Gudino said the recent meeting with the defense minister was a follow-up to earlier discussions regarding Daboli Airport. The Chief Minister, Union Minister Shripad Naik, MP Sadanand Sheikh Tanavde and other leaders were present. He said they were asked to submit a written memorandum to clear speculations and formally present Goa's concern. Gudino stated that the memorandum highlighted three key demands. First, Daboli Airport must continue operations without any uncertainty about closure. Second, the existing no-term timing restrictions during which civilian flights cannot land should be removed to allow smooth operations. He said similar arrangements exist at other defense airports in the country where both civilian and military flights function together. He stressed that Goa, being a leading tourism destination, requires both Daboli in the south and Mopa in the north to operate fully. Citing data, he claimed that nearly 70% of traffic at Mopa comes from Maharashtra, serving only about 30% of Goans, but added that both airports are important for growth. Gudino alleged that vested interests are attempting to influence the situation and maintained that the government is committed to protecting Daboli Airport. He said the defense minister has assured support and if necessary, the matter will be pursued at the highest level to safeguard Goa's aviation interest.
So Daboli Airportaचे किती
The meeting defense minister was a follow-up to an earlier meeting. The Honorable Chief Minister was there, Sadanand Tanavde was there, Honorable Member of Parliament, Honorable MLA Nilesh Kabral was there, I was there. So he had said to clearly told Sri Sadanand Tanavde and me, both of you come and follow it up. Let us put speculation to rest once for all. Yeah. And come with a memorandum so that something is there in writing. So I gave a detailed memorandum. Memorandum listed three things. Number one, Dabolim has to continue at no cost. There should ever be a signal emanating that it can close down. Number two, it was that no-time timing when civilian flights cannot land, that is from 8:30 to 12:30 and then thereafter 1 hour in the evening. I said these things have to be removed. Then it will be an open airport. I said there are other 4 airports in the country where such a thing is there. They are able to operate both civilian as well as defense flights. It is not the case that some special favor would be done or something. It is happening elsewhere in the country. Why not for Goa? When you say Goa is the best tourism destination, when you are looking at Goa as one of the best places to boost tourism, when central government is encouraging us, they should also support a unique thing of having 2 airports for a small state like Goa. Dabolim International Airport in the south and Mopa Airport in the north. At present, if you look at the statistics, Mopa Airport, 70% of the traffic is from Maharashtra. So it is catering only 30% of the local Goan population. But it is very much required because it has to boost more people coming in from that airport as well. But not at the cost of Dabolim, which is sought to be done. And now GMR, taking advantage of the situation, is lobbying very, very hard. In fact, they are trying to take the Navy on their side. And they are trying to tell through the mouths of naval chief and other people that we need it for defense, that airport.
So GMR is trying to do that.
This is a trick being played by GMR. And I know this and I know this is happening. That's why I'm saying. That's why we are working very hard. Because it is a commitment we have given to the people of Goa. Whether it is previous government, whether it is our government, that is the BJP government, we have given a commitment and we have to live up to that commitment.
So Defence Minister has given a commitment now?
Yes,
whatever it
Defence Minister has given a commitment, but we will still be pursuing it even further with more higher authorities if required, means Honorable Prime Minister if required. It has to reach that level.
What about those
that
flights?
Goa should have 2 airports necessarily if we are thinking of Goa as one of the best tourism destination and with the special love and care for Goa that BJP has always displayed.
What about the flights which have gone shifted from Dabolim to Mopa?
See, once you don't have no-time timings, automatically they can shift back, no? Because the timings come in the way.
So you will pursue with this issue also?
Yes,
about these flights?
yes. No, this has already been mentioned in the memorandum. The third thing which I pursued with the Honorable Defence Minister is in other states there have been cases when from defence establishment 10 meters away from the wall, you are allowed to build.
Hmm.
And in Goa, it is 500 meters. Why should this thing continue in Goa?
Okay.
Why Goa is being discriminated? We don't have that much of land. We have a small mass of land.
So what do you have to say on this?
Huh?
What do you have to say on
He,
this?
he said that is under active consideration. It is there on his table. These things cannot be decided quickly like that. Okay. So
Yes.
this is what we have listed when we during this visit and meeting with the Honorable Defence Minister. Yeah. Thank you.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.